I want that smile you saved just for me, full of light and so kind-hearted. I didn't have the words, you made it easy, you just saw me. Your hugs brought Christmas Day all year long, like being wrapped in a blanket, listening to my favorite song. And you're still my favorite song. And every time the waves come crashing in, oh, I feel you blowing me kisses again. Get back in my car, look in the mirror, and I see you're never too far. Leave pink lipstick on my cheek. This is where I like to think you'll always be, to bring back memories and to remind me to find home by myself, to remember I love you more than anyone else. I hate December, all the trips we took to North Carolina. Last 10 years we had holding your hand. They say I'll move on, but I don't want. Every soul you touched would understand. Life just can't be the same without you. Doesn't hold her magic anymore. Breathe in, breathe out, it's all that we can do. This September at the shore, I'll find a home by myself, to remember I love you more than anyone else. I hate December, hate December, I hate December. Carry a torch of grace and love, and I'll remind them they forget to always give more than enough. Life's for living with no regret. I'll find a home by myself, to remember I love you more than anyone else. I hate December, I hate December. Ooh, don't go. Find a moment by myself, to remember I love you more than anyone else. I hate December, hate December, hate December. I hate December. 'Cause it took you